Yeah, America, and it's your boy Underground, and like you see, man, it just don't stop. It ain't no recession, we getting it in. Got another vehicle down here for the Street Sliders Car Club, custom airbrush, by the one and only. Man, we got 26s going on this Mitsubishi Eclipse. Man, I'ma tell you, last week we did our last video, you know what I'm saying, we caught the perpetrators in the act. You know, you go all over the internet, man. We got the supporters and we got the non-supporters out there. I'm telling you, man, Underground Rim King, we doing it big. One thing that they can't say, they can't dispute, man, we the hardest working crew down here doing the big wheels, and we got it on lock. Atlanta, Georgia, we coming soon. Hey, man, it's a big thing down here, and everybody out there who's shouting out Underground Rim King, much love, and we appreciate all the support. But I'm telling you like this, man, we doing it big. Stay tuned to the website, man. Down here, 2010 Classics is coming up, man. You already know what it is. www.undergroundrimking.com. Down here, baby.
You already know, man. I told y'all boys, man. Elmo was coming for y'all boys. Nigga came in with Steve. Sixes. First time. Sixes on the Eclipse, man. This ain't that Eclipse on the X with the truck chassis. This is on my car chassis. This is on my car chassis. This is on my car chassis. Yeah, all we do is get money, man. That's all I do, man. Let me show y'all the back. Just know, I'm the first to put a satellite in the trunk, man. Just a little bit, you know what I'm saying? 415s in a box made by Thomas. You know what I'm saying? Underground Rim King. You gotta have that sticker. If you ain't got that sticker, you not certified. One of the best car club countries out, man. We out here all day running the streets, man. You the boys with the airbrush, with that blue back Eli sticker, you know we run the streets. Holla at the boys.